Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 5. Hope you all will be fine. Today our topic is circuit symbols and diagrams on page number 89. In the previous lesson we have studied about electricity, electric circuit and the components of electrical circuit. On page number 89 you can see the components of circuit. Here we have the components: one battery, two battery, wire, open switch, closed switch and light bulb. Along with them we have symbols of these components, as how can we represent one battery by a symbol, two batteries, wire, open switch, closed switch and light bulb. On next page number 90 we can see two circuits. One is actual circuit in which the battery, bulb and switch are connected with each other through wire. This is actual circuit. Along with this we can see the symbolic circuit in which instead of battery we are using the symbol of battery, symbol of bulb and the symbol of switch. So this is a circuit diagram, but we are using here the symbols of components. Now the types of circuit. There are two types of circuits: closed circuits and open circuit. What are closed circuit? A circuit that has a complete path for electricity to flow is known as closed circuit. ऐसा circuit जिसमें electricity को pass होने के लिए प्रॉपर एक कंप्लीट जो है वो रास्ता मिले, उसको हम क्लोज सर्किट कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल इन द डायग्राम ऑन पेज नंबर 90 वी कैन सी अ सर्किट इन विच it is a complete circuit in which the battery, bulb and switch is connected with each other through wire. And it is a complete circuit in which the switch is closed. That's why the electricity can pass through it and the bulb will light up. On page number 91 we can see the open circuit. And what is open circuit? A circuit with a gap is known as open circuit. ऐसा circuit जिसमें दरमियान में कोई gap आ जाए, यानी complete ना हो वो और कोई gap हो. Here we have two diagrams on this for open circuit. In the first diagram we can see that switch is open, and this open switch leaves a gap. That's why the electricity cannot flow through this circuit and the bulb will not light up. In second diagram we can see that switch is closed, but there is a gap in the wire. That wire is broken. That creates a gap in the circuit. That's why electricity cannot flow through it and the bulb will not light up. So the electricity can flow through the circuit only when the circuit is complete, when it is closed. So these are the types of electric circuit. In next lesson we will study the other types of circuits. Hope you will understand. Thank you.